Hi, it's me, Dr. Prasad Puthiyillam, on my YouTube channel, My Intuition, offering regular and entrance coaching courses on chemistry as well as learning mathematics. This is class number 3, laws of conservation of mass, laws of definite proportions, laws of multiple proportions, Gay-Lussac laws of gaseous volumes, Avogadro's law. It's a class of basic concepts of chemistry. Laws of chemical combinations, laws of conservation of mass. It states that matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, you can see the example. Methane on combustion gives carbon dioxide and steam. If you consider the mass of the reactants and products, they remains the same. This was put forward by the scientist Antoine Lavoisier in the year 1789. Laws of definite proportions. Law of definite proportions states that a given compound always contains exactly the same proportion of elements by weight. Okay, so example, Joseph Porras worked on this and introduced this particular law on work on cupric carbonate. He took the natural sample as well as synthetic sample, and he found that the percentage of copper in natural as well as synthetic sample is the same, 51.35. 9.74 is the percentage of carbon, 38.91 is the percentage of oxygen. Laws of multiple proportions. Law of multiple proportions states that if two elements can combine to form more than one compound, the masses of one element that combines with a fixed mass of the other element are the ratio of small whole numbers. We'll take the example, hydrogen combines with oxygen, that is 2 grams of hydrogen combines with 16 grams of oxygen to give 18 grams of water. The same 2 grams of hydrogen combines with 32 grams of oxygen to give 34 grams of hydrogen peroxide at various reaction conditions. So here we can see the hydrogen the weight of hydrogen taken, it is the fixed mass here. Therefore, oxygen is the mass which is varying. Therefore, oxygen 16 gram as well as 32 grams. Therefore, the ratio of small whole number, it exists in the ratio of small whole numbers. You can say that 16 to 32 is the ratio when it forms water or hydrogen peroxide. It is 1 to 2. So it is a ratio of small whole numbers that's stated by the law, and this law was put forward by John Dalton in the year 1803. Third one, that is Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. It states that when gases combine or are produced in a chemical reaction, they do so in a simple ratio by volume, provided all gases are at the same temperature and pressure. Okay, so 100 ml of hydrogen combines with 50 ml of oxygen to give 100 ml of water. The volume of hydrogen and oxygen which combines, that is 100 ml and 50 ml, they are a simple ratio of 2 to 1. 2 to 1, that is the simple ratio, and this particular gaseous volume law was put forward by Joseph Gay-Lussac in the year 1808. Avogadro law, it is a continuation of previous one. Equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules, put forward by Amedeo Avogadro in the year 1811. It was not considered that time till 1856. It was not in limelight. Later it becomes the famous law, and now we are applying in chemistry. Most chemists uses this law find application, and it is Avogadro who made the distinction between atoms and molecules. Okay, sir, thank you very much for watching my video. All my classes are available on my YouTube channel, My Intuition. Please do subscribe and support me. Have a nice day.